The much-anticipated showdown between C.E. King and Shadow Creek did not disappoint. The Sharks would strike first as senior quarterback Kyron Drones finds Greg Hancock all alone in the end zone for a 7-0 lead. King would then match that score with Kameron Kinchen on the keeper, and we're tied at 7 apiece. Just before halftime, it's the Drones to Hancock connection once again, this time from 27 yards out for a 21-14 Shadow Creek lead at the half. Down 2 scores, the Panthers not ready to go home just yet. Keyshawn to Jordan Jackson from 22 yards out to cut the lead to 7. The game would come down to this. Kyron Drones takes a snap and breaks tackles and spins out of trouble. And it turns into a foot race. And the question is, will he get there? Oh my, yes he does. 95 yards for the score. And Shadow Creek takes a 42-28 victory to set up a Titanic showdown with KATY next Saturday.